Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn the multiplication of matrices. Consider the two matrices. First matrix A, B. Second matrix E, F, G, H. We have to multiply these two matrices. We follow the method row by column method. So we take the rows in the first matrix and we multiply with the columns in the second matrix. Here take the row A, B, write the answer in the same row. Multiply this row with this first column, we get A, E plus B, G. So first column, one element answer. Second column, leave some space and write that separately. So when we multiply second column, we get this is the answer. Here for multiplication, the important condition is the number of columns in the first matrix should be equal to number of rows in the second matrix. So columns of first matrix, here in the first matrix we have two columns, and rows in second matrix, here in second matrix we have two rows. So first matrix two columns, second matrix two rows. And if we see the order of the first matrix is 1 cross 2, 1 row, 2 columns. The order of second matrix is 2 cross 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. And here note that column of first equal to rows of second. And that means these two numbers should be equal. And the final answer will be always this first number and last number, that is 1 cross 2. So the order of the answer is 1 row and 2 columns. Let us multiply the next two matrices. Here first matrix A, B, C, D, second matrix E, G. We follow the same procedure, row by column method. Take the first row, multiply with this column. We get A, E plus B, G. So one column gives only one element answer. This is first row, so we write the answer in the first row. Next take second row and multiply with the column and write the answer in the second row. So we get C, E plus D, G. And this is the answer. Here note that the order of the first matrix is 2 cross 2, 2 rows, 2 columns. Order of second matrix is 2 cross 1, 2 rows, 1 column. And the order of the answer is 2 rows, 1 column, so 2 cross 1. And here note that always this second number and third number should be equal. That means columns in the first matrix should be equal to rows in second matrix. And the final answer will be always the first number and the last number, that is 2 cross 1. Similarly, let us multiply the other two matrices. Here first matrix A, B, C, D, second matrix E, F, G, H. And we follow the same procedure. Take first row, multiply with first column, we get A, E plus B, G. Next same first row, multiply with second column, we get A, F plus B, H. This is first row answer. Next take second row and multiply with the columns. Second row first column, we get C, E plus D, G. Next second row second column, C, F plus D, H. So this is the matrix multiplication method. Now let us see the problems. If A equal to matrix 2 1 1 3, B equal to matrix 2 0 1 3, find BA. So we have to multiply B into A. BA equal to, first we have to write B matrix, that is 2 0 1 3, into next we have to write A matrix, that is 2 1 1 3. And for multiplication we follow row by column method. So here take first row, multiply with first column. So we get 2 into 2 4 plus 0 into anything 0. So 4 plus 0. Next first row second column, 2 into 1 2 plus 0 into anything 0. This is first row answer. Next take second row and multiply with columns. Second row first column, 1 into 2 2 plus 3 into 1 3. Next second row second column, 1 into 1 1 plus 3 into 3 9. So now this is equal to 4 plus 0 4, 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 9 10. So the answer is 4 2 5 10. Similarly, next problem, A matrix B matrix given, we have to find A B. So now A B equal to, write A matrix first, that is 1 2 0 3 1 5, into B matrix next, that is 8 3 1 2 4 1 5 3 1. So we have to multiply these two matrices. We follow row by column method. Take the first row, multiply with first column. So we get 1 into 8 8 plus 2 into 2 4 plus 0 into 5 0. Next first row second column, 1 into 3 3 plus 2 into 4 8 plus 0 into 3 0. Next first row third column, 1 into 1 1 plus 2 into 1 2 plus 0 into 1 0. This is first row answer. Next take second row and multiply the columns. Second row first column, 3 into 8 24 plus 1 into 2 2 plus 5 into 5 25. Next second row second column, 3 into 3 9 plus 1 into 4 4 plus 5 into 3 15. Next second row third column, 3 into 1 3 plus 1 into 1 1 plus 5 into 1 5. Now just add and write the final answer. So this is equal to 8 plus 4 12, 3 plus 8 11, 1 plus 2 3, 24 plus 2 26 plus 25 51, 9 plus 4 13 plus 15 28, 3 plus 1 4 plus 5 9. So the final answer is 12 11 3 51 28 9. Next problem, given that A, B, C, three matrices are given, we have to verify A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. So first let us find left hand side. Left hand side, take the bracket first, that is B plus C. So first find B matrix plus C matrix. B matrix 1 minus 1 2 3 5 2 plus C matrix 1 3 2 minus 4 1 3. Straightly add the corresponding elements and write. So we get 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 plus 3 2, 2 plus 2 4. Next second row, 3 minus 4 minus 1, 5 plus 1 6, 2 plus 3 5. So for addition we have to add the corresponding elements. Now the left hand side is A into B plus C. So write the A matrix 1 3 5 minus 1 into B plus C is this matrix 2 2 4 minus 1 6 5. Now we have to multiply these two matrices. So we have to follow row by column method. And we know the procedure. Take the first row, multiply with the first column. 1 into 2 2, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. This is first element. Next multiply second column and write it as second element. That is 1 into 2 2 plus 3 into 6 18. Next third column we have to write third element. That is 1 into 4 4 plus 3 into 5 15. So take first row, multiply all the columns and write the answer in the first row. Next take second row and multiply the columns and write the answer in the second row. So second row first column 5 into 2 10, minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. Next second column 5 into 2 10, minus 1 into 6 minus 6. Next third column 5 into 4 20, minus 1 into 5 minus 5. So now the answer is 2 minus 3 minus 1, 2 plus 18 20, 4 plus 15 19, 10 plus 1 11, 10 minus 6 4, 20 minus 5 15. This is left side answer. So we take it as equation 1. Now we have to find the right hand side answer. So right hand side first term is AB. So first we have to multiply A into B. A matrix 1 3 5 minus 1 into B matrix 1 minus 1 2 3 5 2. And for multiplication we follow the same method, row by column method. Take first row, multiply first column. 1 into 1 1 plus 3 into 3 9. Next first row second column 1 into minus 1 minus 1 plus 3 into 5 15. Next first row third column 1 into 2 2 plus 3 into 2 6. This is first row. Next take second row. Second row first column 5 into 1 5, minus 1 into 3 minus 3. Next second row second column 5 into minus 1 minus 5, minus 1 into 5 minus 5. Second row third column 5 into 2 10, minus 1 into 2 minus 2. So now simplify and write the answer. 1 plus 9 10, minus 1 plus 15 14, 2 plus 6 8, 5 minus 3 2, minus 5 minus 5 minus 10, 10 minus 2 8. So this is AB. And right hand side second term is AC. So we have to multiply A matrix into C matrix. A matrix 1 3 5 minus 1, C matrix 1 3 2 minus 4 1 3. Now we have to multiply these two. We follow the same procedure, row by column method. Take first row first column 1 into 1 1, 3 into minus 4 minus 12, Next first row second column 1 into 3 3 plus 3 into 1 3. Next first row third column 1 into 2 2 plus 3 into 3 9. This is first row answer. Next take second row and multiply all the columns. Second row first column 5 into 1 5 minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. Next second row second column 5 into 3 15 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Next second row third column 5 into 2 10 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. And simplify and get the answer. 1 minus 12 minus 11. 3 plus 3 6. 2 plus 9 11. 5 plus 4 9. 15 minus 1 14. 10 minus 3 7. So this is AC. Now we have to find the right hand side. The right hand side is AB plus AC. So we have the answer AB AC. So we have to add these two. And adding these two, we follow the method adding corresponding elements. So just add the corresponding elements and we can get the answer. 10 minus 11 minus 1. 14 plus 6 20. 8 plus 11 19. 2 plus 9 11. Minus 10 plus 14 4. 8 plus 7 15. This is right hand side answer. So take it as equation 2. Now look at the answers 1 and 2. These two are exactly same. So therefore we have verified that from 1 and 2 A into B plus C equal to AB plus AC. So this is the answer. Thanks for watching.